Easy English practice.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? Correct answer is option B. She doesn't like apples. Choose the correct form of the verb. Correct answer is option B. He goes to the gym every day. Which sentence is in the past tense? Correct answer is option C. I visited my friend yesterday. Identify the correct preposition. Correct answer is option C. We will meet on Monday. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. Correct answer is option A. This is my book. That is yours.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.